I pretty much use my external hard drive mainly for my time machine backup. I find this as super useful rather than going back and forth with transferring files as a backup. Time machine is a really useful feature because it keeps a copy of whatever's on my Mac onto my hard drive. If anything goes wrong with it or if I accidentally reset it, I can still restore the backup from the time machine, and it's just super handy. However, the only downside is that this hard drive specifically is a HDD, meaning that it does have that spinning disk inside it, which the mechanism basically reads and writes the data, and it can be slow over time if it's like a huge time machine backup or something else. Something like that maybe. Despite my hard drive connectivity, I do have to use a USB dongle, meaning that I had to connect it to my Mac and then the other cable to the dongle and to my hard drive. But I personally think that it's not as stable compared to what SSD have, because they have a direct connection between the Mac and the hard drive itself. And I also do believe that SSDs such as the Samsung T7 Shield or the Crucial X9 Pro is way more compact and more durable, and it does have a better, more faster transfer speeds. And I do hope that it might be something way better than having an external hard drive like this one in terms of time machine backup. Not to mention about how convenient iCloud is, because even if that everything is synced together, it does have a limitation for backing up because it's mostly used for iPhones and iPads. If it does have that ability for Mac, then I'll be super happy, meaning that if I have anything wrong with my Mac or if I accidentally reset it, like I just said at the start guys, then that way it's just going to be way more easy to restore everything for me. But sadly, it's not supported. That's why I would say go for an external hard drive, because time machine is just going to save your life.